Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spam bots clogging up your Wix website's forums or comments, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you step by step through how to add a Captcha on your Wix site, effectively stopping those annoying bots in their tracks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid handle on integrating this simple but powerful tool, keeping your site cleaner and more secure. All right, let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open up your Wix web design dashboard. That's the main space where you build and manage your site. If you're already familiar with Wix, you'll know it's designed to be super user-friendly, but don't worry if you feel a little lost at first. Just head to your site dashboard and look for where it says Edit Site or Open Editor. Go ahead and launch that editor because that's where all the magic happens. Now, with your editor open, glance up to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a search bar. This is a handy way to quickly find any features or elements you want to add, so you don't need to go hunting through menus. Click in that search bar to activate it. Next, type Captcha right into the search bar. That's RECAPTCHA, just like Google's tool for proving you're not a robot. After you type it in, you should see it pop up as an option in the list. Go ahead and select it. Here's where it gets interesting. Wix will give you a message saying you need to turn on developer mode before you can use Captcha. This is just Wix's way of making sure you know some widgets and tools are a bit more advanced, but don't worry. You don't need to know how to code for this. All we need to do is enable developer mode. So let's activate developer mode. It sounds more intimidating than it really is. At the top of your screen, you'll spot a button or tab labeled Dev Mode. Give that a click. A menu will drop down, and you'll see an option saying, Turn on Dev Mode. Click that and give it a second. You might see some extra panels or tools pop up, but you don't have to use them if you don't want to. All this does is unlock the extra features, like Captcha, so we can include them on your site. Once Dev Mode is on, jump back to that search bar at the top. Just like before, type in Captcha again. Now, when you see it in the search results, you'll notice it's no longer grayed out. You can actually click it, select it, and it becomes available to add to your site. Go ahead and choose it. A Captcha element will now appear in your workspace. You can click and drag it to place it wherever you want on your page. Usually, you'd want this near a contact form, registration field, or any place where users can submit information. It acts like a security checkpoint, making sure it's a real person filling things out, not just a mindless bot. Once you're happy with its position, that's it. Your site is now protected, and you should see a big drop in spam submissions. If you're worried about how it looks, don't stress. Wix makes it easy to move or adjust it later, so feel free to play around until it feels right. And there you go, your site's spam defense is now much stronger. If you found this walkthrough useful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or hit any snags, just drop a comment below. I check them regularly, and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Wix tutorials and web design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.